What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video. And today is day 3 in Antigua. Today I'm going to be scuba diving, so I'm going to be heading over to the shop soon. Boat leaves at 8:30, so I'll see you guys then. So I just finished up scuba diving with Dive Carib. They took us to Pillars of Hercules and we got to swim around a bunch of huge boulders with coral growing off of it. We got to see some stingrays, eels, and a variety of fish. It was a great time. Absolutely loved it. So now we're gonna head back, get some lunch, and I'll see you guys then. So we just got back from Boom Restaurant and it was very good. I got the baby back ribs and they were amazing. Now we're gonna sit by the pool and just relax, enjoy the weather, and I'll see you guys soon. Finish up the day by relaxing by the pool and enjoying the great weather as well as the views, and then we went to dinner at Trapas right here in English Harbor, and it was decent. It was pretty good. But that's gonna conclude today's video of day 3 in Antigua, so I'll see you guys in the next one.